Hi, I'm Niels de Bruin. I'm a business unit manager working for MT AG. Back in 2004, I started off developing my first Apex apps, and nowadays I lead a practice of 45 Apex specialists. I'm also very committed to the DOAG, which is Oracle user group in Germany. And on a yearly basis, we organize the conference Apex Connect, where about 400 attendees share their knowledge. I'm also the founder of Flows for Apex, which is an open source tool with which you can do process modeling, but you can also run those processes all within Apex. So what are the challenges faced in the app dev market? Well, on one hand, we have a typical application today gets around 3 to 6 months development time. On the other hand, we have digital transformation taking place all over the world. So the number of applications rises on a day-by-day basis. Oracle Apex enables us to deliver more high-quality apps in significantly less time. And if you compare that to other vendors out there in the low-code market, its total cost of ownership is very much compelling. Let me give you 2 examples of Apex apps we did in the past. So on one hand, we have Shipbuilder Flensburger. And before this Apex app arrived, they spent 4 or 5 hours each week building a milestone diagram based on PowerPoint. And we said we can do better than that. We have all the Oracle data already in the database, so why not build an application on top of that? So we used Apex with a little bit of JavaScript D3 framework, integrated that, and the result is what you see right now. On the other hand, we have an enterprise Apex app built for an asset manager called Union Investment. Their application called Fund Profiler is a very enterprise-wide application. It's being used by 1,000 users. We've built this in 2012, and over the years, we added more functionality to it and upgraded, of course, the Apex releases. It has very much business logic in there, a very complex approval process, and it has loads of integrations with backend systems. So, when do you start with Oracle Apex? Let me give you 3 tips. First, if you're new to Apex, go to apex.oracle.com. You get a free workspace over there, and within minutes, you're up and running, developing your own apps. Secondly, use the portal apex.world. Use the Slack channel over there, use Twitter, and engage with the community. And lastly, when you have some knowledge built up, some experiences, share them yourself, just like we do as well. The whole community can benefit from it, and that's where the real strength of Apex lies.